Hi everyone, I'm David Hillman, and most people call me Dave, and I look forward to working with you over the next couple of weeks. I'm in the Master of Science in Industrial and Organizational Psychology program. My hometown is Lynchburg, Virginia, where I grew up in the foothills of the Blue Ridge Mountains, about a 20-minute drive to the Blue Ridge Parkway. So my playground growing up, waterfalls, hiking trails, and a lot of outdoors activities. My current job, I work for the Department of the Navy at Naval Information Warfare Center Atlantic in Charleston, South Carolina. That's home base. Right now I'm coming to you from a motel room, Surprise, Arizona, as I had the opportunity to visit my kids and grandkids whom I haven't seen in quite a while. We usually get maybe once or twice a year to actually visit in person. And my current job, I just transitioned to an IT project manager role. Prior to that, for about 12 years, I led our mid-career leadership program, or a high potential leadership development program. So worked a lot with our high potentials and designed the program from scratch. And I also worked with our executive leadership development programs as well. And my career goals, eventually I want to transition to more of a consulting role and maybe executive coaching as well. I've a fair amount of experience with Clifton Strengths Finder and Hogan Assessments, and I really love that part of the job, and just understanding personalities and how people connect and work together. And that stems from perhaps an interesting fact about me as well, um, and that being that before I joined the Navy, it's actually in the United States Marine Corps as a meteorological and oceanographic officer, believe it or not. So that's one of my high values in Hogan's, by the way, is science. So I'm really a geek when it comes to that. And if I can be a geek and do it with people, so much the better. Besides that, a little over 26 years in the Marine Corps. Fun goals, I enjoy golfing, cold beverage every now and then. I like to sample some of those. Asheville, North Carolina is a great craft breweries. We enjoy going there from time to time. So I like to travel as well. And that's me. And I look forward to working with everyone over the next couple of weeks. And we'll see you soon.